Hi, friends! Welcome back! Welcome back! It's the 2020-2021 school year, and we are going to have so much fun this school year. You can see there's pictures on this screen right here of different things that we might be doing. Now, do you think we might be kicking soccer balls like that little girl is in that picture? No, I don't think so. Do you think we might do some yoga poses like those little boys are? I think so. Do you think we might be throwing balls? Maybe, but maybe we're going to practice, maybe not actually throw too far. You can see that little girl's doing a push-up. Do you think we might do stuff like that? I think so. Do you think we might lean to the side like that one boy is in that picture? I think so. All right. Mr. Scruggs, you want to say hi?
Hey everybody, missed you. We're really looking forward to this year, and I can't wait to start virtual teaching with you boys and girls.
Woo woo! All right, let's see. We need to go to that next page. There we go. So friends, just so you know a little bit about Ms. McCann, you will see I grew up on a farm. I played lacrosse in college. It's my 5th year here at William P. Gold Post Road Elementary School, and I loved my summer with Carson. You can see Ms. McCann put a whole bunch of pictures on here. That one picture is me playing with him, jumping. He loves jumping. And then he's trying to climb up the slide in the other picture. Oh, and that's Ms. McCann enjoying a boat ride with some of her friends this summer as well. And just so you know, I love to work out. I think we all knew that. And let's see, that's another picture of Carson enjoying his swing this summer. And Ms. McCann enjoying the beach with Carson. He loved it. And there he is looking like a little baby shark. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, let's see, Mr. Scruggs.
All right, boys and girls, in case you never met me yet or forgot, I'm Mr. Scruggs. I grew up in Towson, which is in Baltimore. My mom has some goats on her farm. They're really cute. You see I got a picture, I think it's on this side, of the goats eating some hay. It's actually our baby goat. I also like to go fishing. You can see above me there's a picture of me with a big catfish. Wonder if you guys have gone fishing or did anything with the water like swimming this summer. It would be really cool. I did some construction this summer too. I like to build things, so I got to work on some really cool projects this summer. I also like to play sports, work out, and I like to go on hikes. You can see a picture of me. You can see in the middle there, I am on a hike, and pretty cool picture. I'm on top of a big giant boulder. Alright, so we're going to go over our class expectations, and we already know that you guys know how to be safe, be respectful, and be responsible, but it might be a little different this year, won't it, Ms. McCann?
Yes.
So let's start with being safe. How are we being safe right now?
Well, we all know that we have be safe. It's definitely one of our school rules, but it is going to look a little different at home. So make sure you find a quiet place so you can see there's no noise here. Mr. Scruggs and Ms. McCann made sure we found a quiet place to make sure that we're teaching you. And make sure that we have enough space with enough room so we can do exercises like jumping jacks or twists or some yoga moves. And wear appropriate clothing. You can see Mr. Scruggs has his shoes on. We have comfortable t-shirts. And we also got our shorts on, so we're ready to move. Now, Mr. Scruggs, I know you love talking about being respectful.
Need to be respectful, and we know our students at Old Post Road Elementary School are always very respectful because we always keep that important. First thing you're going to want to do is when you're in the virtual classroom with us this year, you're going to make sure that your mute button for your speaker is clicked. That means we won't hear any noises going on in your house. That way everybody can hear the instructor. You also want to make sure that if you do have something that you want to share or maybe an answer you want to give us, you use the raise your hand button. That's going to be on a toolbar that you guys are going to have in your virtual classroom. You're going to click the raise your hand. That's going to let Ms. McCann and I know, oh, this student has something that they want to share or an answer they want to give. When we let you know it's your time to share, you click your mute button off for your speaker. You go ahead and share your answer or anything that you wanted to share with the class.
Awesome. Now let's talk about being responsible because we know we need to be responsible penguins also when we're at home. So make sure that you log on to your computer before the class starts, maybe a few minutes to give yourself
sure we have
more
some
than
time. I'm comfortable. I won't be late.
Exactly. Please use your real name. So does that mean Mr. Scruggs should type Mr. Phillips?
Oh, geez, no way. No way, that's not me. I won't get any of the credit. You're get all the credit for my hard work.
Exactly. And make sure your computer is charged, has enough energy just like you, and turned on.
Yeah, I wouldn't want my computer to die in the middle of a lesson. That'd be embarrassing. I'd miss a whole bunch.
Too much.
Yeah.
And keep your background appropriate. Oh, we're going to talk about this background a little bit because this is going to be a part of our year. All right, let's see. What else do we got? This or that. So you'll see, we need to talk about, are we nervous about online school? Am I nervous? Yes. If you're not nervous, do the no. So here we go. Yes, I am nervous. I'm going to be doing jumping jacks, and you can see my time started on the left-hand side. It's a little cut out. Mr. Scruggs says he's not nervous. So
I'm excited.
He's going, he's doing that up and down. All right, here we go. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next one. Let's see what we got next.
All right, the next one is, do you have any brothers and sisters? I know that I have a sister, Ms McCann has a sister, so we are going to be doing the mountain climbers. If you don't have any brothers and sisters, you're going to be doing the squats.
All right, here we go, Mr. Scruggs.
Ready?
Mountain climbers.
You can't see us, but just follow along with the mountain climber on the screen.
Well, let's see. Maybe we can do it. Mr. Scruggs, let's bring him down here. Go ahead, Mr. Scruggs. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, Mr. Scruggs. Let's see. What's next? What's next? All right. Did you play any sports over the summer? Did you play any sports, Mr. Scruggs?
I played some sports with friends, yep.
Okay. And Ms. McCann, did you? No, I didn't. I just ran. I like running. So that's what Ms. McCann is going to do. Her leg lifts, and Mr. Scruggs is going to do star jumps. All right. We're going to bring you down so you can see Mr. Scruggs and Ms. McCann.
Thank
Here we
goodness
go.
I'm in my safe spot.
Got our safe area. Down. 15. 14. 13.
Almost halfway there.
10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Man, Mr. Scruggs, you got a workout.
Oh boy, you ain't lying. That's the best part about gym class.
All right, let's see. Oh, which one do we like better?
Fruits or vegetables. If you like fruits, apples, oranges, you're going to do chest touches. And if you like vegetables, you're going to do the plank leg spread, it looks like.
I think it's plank leg jack. So, Mr. Scruggs, which one do you like more?
I'll go with fruits.
Okay.
I like apples and oranges.
I'm going to go with the jacks in the plank position. Here we go. Here we go, Mr. Scruggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Woo!
Another good
That was a
workout.
Woo-wee! All right, friends. One last thing. So how is PE class going to work? Well, I can tell you, we're going to have to check in and do warm-ups. And we're always going to give lesson instructions. Maybe if we're throwing and catching, we're going to show you how to do that. Or kicking, we're going to practice. And then when we come together, you guys are going to do your own learning experience and assessment. Okay? And we're going to go over a little bit more as a group. All right, friends. Bye.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.